Happy birthday to you.
Thangabali kitta varade na jorauti penda.
Hi Gopi, happy birthday.
હાય ગોપી, હેપી બર્થડે.
તું બહુ મજામાં રહે, ખુશ રહે, આનંદમાં રહે, એ જ અમારી અભિલાષા છે. યુ બી વેરી 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 હેપી ટુડે એન્ડ એવરી ડે
એન્ડ ફોર એવર.
એન્ડ ફોર એવર.
હા, વિશ યુ મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે બેટા. તું અમારી જોડે આટલા છેલ્લા 1 વર્ષથી આઈ થિંક યુ વિલ કમ્પ્લીટ ઓલમોસ્ટ 1 year. બહુ મજા આવી અને અમને ઘર ભરેલું લાગે છે.
અમને બેને એકલા ક્યારે લાગ્યું જ નહીં.
અને ભગવાન તને ખૂબ ખુશ રાખે. સૂન યુ વિલ બી ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક્સ એન્ડ ટેલિકમ્યુનિકેશન એન્જિનિયરિંગ. કરેક્ટ. કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન ઇન એડવાન્સ. ભગવાન તને ખૂબ પ્રોગ્રેસ આપે.
બીટેક એન્જિનિયર.
તું જીવનમાં ખૂબ આગળ વધે.
બ્યુટી વિથ બ્રેન.
અને તને ફરીથી હેપી બર્થડે. એન્ડ આઈ વિશ કે આજે તને સવારે લાયસન્સ તારી બર્થડેના દિવસે મળી ગયું હોય. ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ. ઓકે. અને ભગવાન ખૂબ 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 તારા પર બધી કૃપા રાખે.
તો આવી રીતના જ અમારી જોડે રહે. તો અમારી જોડે રહે, તમને એટલી મજા આવે છે. નો ડોન્ટ વરી યુ વિલ ગેટ મેરીડ, યુ વિલ ગો ટુ યોર હાઉસ, યુ વિલ હેવ યોર ઓન સ્પેસ. ડોન્ટ વરી, યુ વિલ હેવ યોર ઓન ફેમિલી. નોટ ફોર એવર, આઈ મીન ટુ સે. ઓકે, ડોન્ટ વરી. વિશ યુ ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ and once again happy birthday to you.
And I hope you enjoyed the surprise. ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક તને ક્યાંક ડાઉટ ગયેલો, but we try to make it કે ભાઈ તને ન ખબર પડે કરીને. Okay? I hope you liked everything.
Have a nice day.
Okay.
And the year ahead and the whole life. Okay.
Bye
Bye
બેટા.
bye.
શ્રીજી બાવાની કૃપા
See you.
હંમેશ રહે તારા પર.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello Gopi, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you beta. And one more thing, મારે તને કહેવી છે કે પ્લીઝ કીપ ફોકસ ઓન યોર ફ્યુચર. ઓકે, વિશ યુ ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ ફોર એવરીથિંગ એન્ડ હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ વન્સ અગેન.
ओ बेबी एक बात तो बता, तेरे बारे में सुनी है एक अफवाह, हैप्पी बर्थडे साल में तू 4 बार मनाती है.
जय श्री कृष्ण बेटा. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड विश यू वेरी મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. હેપી બર્થડે. અને તું જિંદગી પર હંમેશા આવી હસતી અને કૂદતી જ રહે એવા અમારા બંનેના આશીર્વાદ છે. અને ક્યાંય પણ જાય અમારા આશીર્વાદ તારી સાથે જ છે. સો એન્જોય, કીપ અપ.
ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ.
ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ.
વી લવ યુ.
ઓકે, બાય.
Start.
Happy birthday, Gopi. May you have a blessed life, fun, bubbly, everything.
Hey, how are you? Happy birthday, Gopi. I hope you are going to get some surprise. Seems I don't know what it is. You might be knowing by the time you see this video. So
Give me a surprise.
let's see what's your surprise.
Let us know, okay?
Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
લાસ્ટ બર્થડે યાદ છે ને ગોપી? આપણે બધાએ સાથે સેલિબ્રેટ કર્યો તો હવે તું તારા મમ્મી પપ્પા સાથે સેલિબ્રેટ કરે છે. ગોપી હેપી બર્થડે. તારા બધી વિશેસ ફૂલફિલ થાય અને તારા બર્થડેનો દિવસ એટલો સરસ જાય ને. ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ.
last year last birthday of the graduation, so all the best. Being in Muscat, become a graduate. Happy birthday to you.
Gopi. Happy birthday.
હેપી બર્થડે.
Can't wait to hang out with you when you finally come here. And hope you have a great birthday.
Yay.
Bye.
Sweet pea, how are you doing? Yes, this message, your birthday message, coming all the way from Igatpuri, the clean and green city where we currently reside. Yes, I would like to wish you a very, very happy birthday, and God bless you, and may all your heart's desires come true. This day is a great day for you. So yes, have a joyful and wonderful day. Love from me and uncle.
Hi Gopi, happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Love you. Wish you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bro. I know it's been really long since we've spoken and all, but trust me, you trust me, I have no time to breathe. Okay. So, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. What, man? Yesterday only you were 2 years old. Now you're 22. How? How like that one, huh? Anyways, hope you have a great time and hope to see you soon in Bombay. First you have to come, then only I will come, because I really don't know when I'm coming. Anyways, you come soon and then we will meet over there. Until then, miss me and love me. I will take care, you also take care, okay? Chalo then, bye, I gotta go. Love you and happy birthday.
Happy 22nd birthday, love. I hope you have a blast. I know you're going to have a blast, okay? I have like been there for your birthday week quite literally, and you're already having a great time. So yeah, I hope you eat a lot of cake, because there's going to be a lot of cake. I hope that you are with your loved ones. I'm sorry that I can't be there. I'm so mad that I can't be there for your birthday. I really thought I would, but COVID messing with our plans, and you're with your family after a very long time, so make the most of it. And yeah, have a great time. I miss you and I love you and can't wait to see you soon. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Gopi. I hope you have an amazing day. I really miss the times we used to spend during summer holidays, where we would go to each other's houses to complete holiday homework, but then we would talk for like hours and hours and hours, and then just pretend like we've completed everything. And then nearing our school reopening, we would end up rushing with all our works. And I also really miss like the school days where we would call and talk for hours literally every day about this and that and whatnot. Anyways, I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope we get to meet soon. Happy birthday.
Go, 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 shawty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip and party like it's your birthday. You know.
Birthday, Gopu. Hope you have an amazing birthday. So much love.
Hi Gopri, happy birthday. So I know Gopi since 5th grade, and I've always known her for being talkative all the time and I was always a quiet one, but we go a long way back. We have been through a lot in Bombay also, here also, and I'm so glad that we reunited after we graduated from high school. And yeah, I wish you all the best for everything. I know you're a success. I know everything's gonna come your way and everything's gonna be amazing. So happy birthday once again, and I love you.
Hi Gopi, it's that time of the year again. It's your birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Sending you lots of love and surprises and wishes. And I hope you know, just like this video, there are so many good things you have to look forward to this year. And hope to see you soon. Bye.
Gopi, happy birthday! You whacked, man. It's your birthday. I hope you're happy. I hope you're having fun. I hope you enjoy the surprises. And remember that this birthday was planned in the midst of this major COVID scene which is going on. And still, we tried our best, all of us, your mom, me, Prachi, your friends, and we really tried hard that you have a good time and all that. You know, when you heard on April 12th, there's going to be a lockdown and there's going to be this, and you ended up crying, and then, you know, you just got lucky. So, the stars were on your side, and all of that has led to this day, and I hope you're having an amazing time and you're enjoying with the gifts and all the special treatment which you very much deserve. So happy birthday. And what I wanted to say is a lot of things, because you're such a cutie pie and I love you and you're my sarange. And just happy birthday, man. I'm very grateful that since I've come in 2014, you have always been so, you know, like, you never leave me alone. You entertain me, you understand me, you make me laugh. And I personally never feel that, you know, you leave me and you go with your friends or something. You always give me time whenever I want. We recently went for a lunch and shopping. I had an amazing time with you, and I'm so glad that, you know, even though you miss your college friends so much, I'm just happy that you're here with me. I can meet you whenever I want, and you spend time with me, and when you're with me, you're just with me. And I know that, and I'm very, very grateful for that. So anyway, I'm done. And now whatever I have to say to you, I'll tell it to you personally, because this is enough embarrassment for one day. And happy birthday again. Enjoy. And after my video, I know what you're going to say. One shy is coming. Bye.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Gopa. By 5 months to go, 4 months to go, 1 month to go, 2 weeks to go, 1 week to go, 5 days, 4 days, 3 days. Finally, तेरा birthday आ गया है, भाई तू मजे कर. I can't believe you're turning 22 today. भाई मोठी झाली पोरगी. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you get to do all the things you've planned. And I hope you pass the driving exam, and I hope you get to party. And I miss you so much. I love you. Happy birthday.
Moti, happy birthday. I wish you all the very happiness. और तो बाकी सब ठीक है, चल ही रहा है. Here's a gift for you. Happy birthday.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday.
Happy birthday. Hope you have an awesome time and let's meet up soon.
Gopi, happy 22nd birthday to you. Hope you have the best day in Muscat. I miss you a lot over here, so come back soon. And I think this is the second birthday in a row which you haven't spent with us, so you better spend your next birthday with us, okay?
A very, very, very happy birthday, Gopi. Many, many happy returns of the day. And may God bless you with the best. And hope you have an amazing birthday this time.
Happy birthday, Gopi. I hope you have a great day. I know I can't be there. I'm really sorry. I miss you a lot. I really wish I was there. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Gopi, happy 22nd birthday. So your mom is taking a lot of efforts for this. So yeah, cheers to that. So happiest birthday. And telling one small specific good memory is probably one of the first few days of our college in which we had stood up for the CR elections, and yeah, it was pretty neat. And apparently you were the only one. So yeah, maybe that is the reason why you are and you were the CR of our class. So yeah, those were a few fun days which we had, and we had shit ton of fun. So yeah, I miss that. and I miss you also. So, anyways, happy birthday. Hoping to see you soon, and all the best.
Hi
Bye.
Gopi, wish you a very happy birthday. I wish we were together, but maybe next year. And love you so much.
Hi Gopi, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Hey Gopi, happy birthday. Wishing you many happy returns of a day. Have a great day and great year. Stay safe and stay happy.
गोपी बिटिया जन्मदिन मुबारक। कैसी हो? सब ठीक है ना घर पे? हाँ, स्कैम करते करते 22 साल गुजर गए ऐसे ही। हाँ हाँ, खूब हाँ, मम्मी से बात करना।
हैप्पी बर्थडे गोपी बेटी, कैसे हो? तबीयत सब ठीक है? मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। आप 22 साल के हो गई, 20 और 2। खुशी रहो हमेशा के लिए, अपने माँ बाप से प्यार करते रहो, ठीक है?
बाद में पार्टी देना, ठीक है? हाँ, ओके।
Many happy returns of the day, Gopi. Have a great day.
Hi Gopi, it's finally the day today. Happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing time. Well, we've known each other for the past 4 years. Ever since first time I met you was in Chitra's tuition or Senke's tuition. Ever since then we've become really close friends. Who would have thought we would have pulled it this long? Hopefully our bond remains the same for the next near future. My favorite memory about you is probably the time when you gifted me that Brazil national team jersey, considering we only known each other for only 3 days, and that was a beautiful memory of mine. And also all the times we went for tuition together, especially during the exercise time during the final days of our exam. That was truly an amazing time. Hopefully we would have the same bond throughout our lifetime. So enjoy, and please do give a treat.
Birthday Gopi. Okay, so you are one of the most energetic people in my life, and I hope that energy never dies down. You're always like this chirpy crazy person, and when I say crazy, you are crazy. But yeah, anyways, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a killer birthday. You enjoy insanely, and yeah, I love you.
Hi Gopi, wish you a happy birthday, and I also wish तू वापस मुंबई आ जाएगी जल्दी, so we can have a lot of talks and a lot of night outs as well. Happy birthday, stay safe.
Hello Gopi.
Hi Gopi, happy birthday.
Oh, that quick? I mean, come on, okay, dude. By the way, happy birthday. Yeah, first, Calvin would like to say something about how he met you first time.
Yeah, my fondest memory of you is the first time I met you, and I thought you looked like Oshin. But you took it very sportingly, and we laughed about it at Rahul's balcony, if you remember. Rahul, what's your fondest memory?
Dude, that's the best part. I don't have any. You know how I am. Yeah?
All the memories are fond.
Yeah, dude. All memories with you are fond. And I'm waiting to build more with you as days go by. Sorry for the pause because there was someone passing by.
Very cute.
But yeah, dude. No, you didn't have to show who was passing by. Fuck. Anyway, happy birthday and God bless you.
God bless. Cheers.
Try growing a little bit in size and get a little bit, taking a little bit more of your brain. So you're maturing.
And give us one kick-ass party.
Yeah, we are waiting for that.
With your spicy veg pasta.
Hi Gopi, happy birthday. I miss you so much. I miss our Lalta ka tawa pulao. I miss our hostel. I miss all the time, all the memories I share with you. See ya soon. Hostel will never be the same without you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Gopi. Have a nice day, man. Miss you, dude. Hope to see you soon. One more thing. उम्र तेरी छोटी ये है. चलो. Take care.
Hi Gopi, happy birthday.
Hi Gopi. I hope you are fine. First of all, wishing you a many happy returns of the day. Have a great day and have a great year ahead. चलो तेरा बर्थडे है तो थोड़ी तारीफ भी बनती है तेरी. You are genuinely a true and a very good friend to me. You mean a lot and you know that. I miss college days. I miss spending time with you. Practicals, college में घूमना, Activa rides, खाना जाना and everything. I hope we can do it again very soon. और कुछ ज़्यादा बोर नहीं करूँगा तेरे को. चल वापस जल्दी आ, मिलते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं. Yeah, and चल happy birthday once again. Bye bye.
Happy birthday Gopi. It's a special day, and I hope it's filled with joy and happiness since you deserve it. And I've always had a great time spending time with you. It's always been great since
you give a lot of advices, life advices, and it's always helped me out, and I thank you for that. And also, we have shared a lot of memories, but one of my favorites is when we go for long drives and we talk about life. It's like feels really great to have company, such a company. And I hope you receive all the happiness and success you deserve in life. Happy birthday once again. Hope you have a great day. Keep in touch.
Happy birthday, Gopi. I hope you have an amazing day and I wish you the best in everything. Keep smiling and keep being you and don't ever change. I miss you so much and I hope I get to see you very soon.
Happy birthday, Gopi. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Gopi. Have a blast. Ola Uber.
Happy birthday, Gopi Betia, my child. I hope you have an amazing day ahead and an amazing year as well. I wish I could be there, but I can't. But I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. But anyway, have an amazing day. And I love you and I'm super grateful for you in my life. Stay the same person that you are. Don't change for nobody. And always be that super overexcited girl that I know. And lots of love. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gopi. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, what's up? Happy birthday. May all your wishes come true always. And have a great day and a great year ahead. Out of all the things that happened in this last 1 year, I'm only grateful to this thing that and I'm actually glad that you came down, because in this short time how close we became, that is something really special or something important to me. I'll never forget that, because in this short time how close we became is something really important and really special to me. Now you got a new friends and doesn't matter, but it's okay. Today is your birthday, so I'll just let that go, even though I spoke about it already. So yes, stay the same crazy bubbly person that you are, and know one thing, that we all love you. I mean, like, you know it already, but we love you. Stay the same, and I'm always here. If you need any help, if you want any advice, always here. So yes, I love you, and once again wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, and meet me soon. Yes, love you.
Hello. Happy birthday, cutie pie. Hey Gopi, wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Love you.
Stay blessed and party hard. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
Okay, so we have a special wish for you from a very, very special, cute person. She says, happy birthday, Gopi. Many, many happy returns of the day. Okay. Say bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Gopi. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Gopi. I hope you have a very great day. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Party shari, holi puri raat hai.
Sing.
Okay, there's something special for you.
wonderful person. You care so much for everyone. You love everyone with all of your heart, and you give your 100% to everyone. And that is so wonderful, that is so beautiful. Each and every moment spent with you was amazing, and you're amazing. You're my best friend, and I love you for being there for me at every time that I need you. I hope you have an amazing day. You are so sweet, you're so wonderful. This video is not enough for me to tell everything that you're amazing. Just be yourself and stay the same, stay energetic, stay amazing. You're so good, and I love you so much, and I love you with all my heart.
Okay, so the things I love about Gopi are she's always blooming with energy. Be it you meet her in the night or the day, she's full of energy, and that's one thing I love about her. The other thing is that Gopi has always been there for me when I needed her, and I'm really, really grateful to her for that. But the one thing that tops the list is when she acts like Raki Sawant. I love her the most.
Okay, so to say nice things about Gopi is a bit tough, but I'll definitely give it a shot. So the best thing about Gopi is just the way she is. She's so full of life, full of energy, full of enthusiasm. She's always so happy. And the best thing about her is she'll always make you feel comfortable around her. Even if you're meeting her for the first time or it's the 10th time. It's always, always good to see her, good to meet her. She's one of the most approachable persons I've ever met. And it's very, very difficult to find such people. And I'm so glad that I've met Gopi.
There's one thing about you I really like. Whenever we are all together, then you'll suddenly like say something and so much, excitement and everything. Then you're like, अच्छा मैंने अगर कुछ ज़्यादा बोल दिया तो मुझे please बताओ, okay? That is so cute and innocent. It shows the innocence in you. It's very nice. And you are like a Ranveer Singh, that kind of energy you have around, and I wish it never fades away. Always be like this, continue spreading joy and positivity everywhere you go. Just stay blessed, mashallah. I hope you never change in this way. Okay, take care. Happy birthday.
One thing that I like about Gopi, that's a tough one because there aren't a lot of likable things about her. So I'll really have to think about it. Just kidding. I love that she's been there for me, that she has, that if I'm having a bad day, I can just close my eyes, call her and rant. If I'm crying, I know she'll make me laugh, and it's crazy how she's there, I don't have to think before reaching out, and that's not a quality that a lot of people have, being there for someone. It gets hard sometimes, and yeah, I love you for that.
Hi again. I know you saw my embarrassing video, but still I have to say happy birthday to you in person. Otherwise, mummy, right? I'm so proud of you. I hope you have a great 22. I hope with age you grow wiser. Hello. And especially with your haircuts. Please, woman. And I miss you a lot. And you got your visa now, so you shall be here soon. I know it. And I will see you soon. And we will enjoy. I miss you. And I hope you have a great day and enjoy whatever mummy and Ammi planned for you. They did do a lot. Like literally. And mummy. That's it. You're doing great. Everything that you set out to achieve, you do achieve. And you just have to keep believing in that. And
So luckily I've gotten to spend a lot of time with Gopi, and one of my favorite memories with her is of going to Kanta beaches as kids on Fridays and eating chips and swimming and all that. And the other one that comes to mind is of going to Muscat festivals with Gopi and eating waffle french fries and Omani halwa and convincing her to go on all the difficult rides and all of that. And Gopi, just so you know, I miss you so much, and I don't know when, but I hope soon I get to spend time with you again. Sending you lots of love. Bye.
The best part about Gopi is that she's always the life of the party, and she's that constant source of energy and fun, and you'll never have a dull moment around her. That year with Maker Mela was actually one of the best years of my college life. be it the meetings, the event, and the multiple after parties that we had. And I'm really grateful that you were a part of that, Gopi.
Thing that I miss a lot about us is that, you know, in hostel, whenever we used to stay busy or if we did not meet throughout the day, still at the end of the day we used to meet and we used to we used to sit together and we used to talk about whatever happened throughout the day and whatever we wanted to talk about, ranting about someone or whatever. We just spoke our hearts out then, and it was such a good time. I feel that we grew so close to each other because of that. And I'm going to miss you a lot. I cannot imagine hostel without you, you know. This crazy roommate of yours who always keeps jumping around the room and singing and dancing, and I'm going to miss you so much. I really wish agar last year साथ में होता, like your 4th year, because we had so many plans जो in your 3rd year due to my council did not happen, and I'm really sorry for that. But I hope we spend good time together more, because तू तो मुंबई में ही रहने वाली है. And I'm going to keep bumping in your house all the time, and I'm going to, you know, basically hostel for me was you and, you know, our room. So yeah, but for now, enjoy your day, send me all the pictures, and yeah, bye, love you.
Since you like roasting so much, here's some real trivia for you. When Gopi comes to Mumbai, Shore in the City joke box starts trending. When Gopi leaves Mumbai, यहाँ पे सब शांति शांति है starts trending. When Gopi is excited, Louder Than Bombs by BTS starts trending. And when Gopi is giving exams, Tare Zameen Par starts trending.
One funny thing that I remember is the broccoli meal at our place, where you had meal with us, and we didn't know that you did not like broccoli, but you managed to gulp it down. And the next time whenever you visited us, uncle would ask you, Gopi, would you like to have a broccoli? And you would say, no uncle, no, I'm full, I just had something, it's okay, thank you uncle, thank you. So Gopi, thank you. So Gopi, we love you, and always be cheerful and hubbly bubbly, and all the very best to you.
One thing that I absolutely love and admire about you is that how easy it is to talk to you. Thanks for being my first friend in college.
I think one of my favorite, or like one memory I cannot forget with you, would be during our football practice time. Your mom used to every time give you like 2 tiffin boxes, because after our football practices we used to just come and hog each other's food, and your mom's food was so good. And because of that, because we used to keep eating your tiffin and you used to not get to eat, your mom started giving you 2 tiffins. I think that would be like one crazy memory of mine. Or other than that, I think we have a lot of crazy memories, but this is something I will like not forget for sure. So yeah.
One of my favorite memories with Gopi would be, I don't think I have like one, I have so many, but it would definitely be when she stayed here with me, like during the pandemic. Like we got so close that we'd almost video call every day, and we didn't do that before. And yeah, we've like become each other's everyday person, you know, and that makes me very happy.
बेबी एक बात तो बता, तेरे बारे में सुनी है एक अफवाह। हैप्पी बर्थडे साल में तू 4 बार मनाती है, अपना एक ना खर्चा लौंडों का करवाती है।
It's my birthday, I'ma spend my money. It's my birthday, I'ma spend my money.